Hi and welcome back to our channel WTI Hair Studio, and I'm Himani. So today I have another interesting product for you. So I have this 3x4 amazing topper. This is a monofilament multi-style topper. Multi-style because you can change its parting. So in this video I'll tell you in detail about this product. So stay tuned for it. So this 3x4 monofilament multi-style hair topper is made of 100% natural Remy human hair, and obviously we have fumigated it and sterilized it because we take care of the hygiene in every of our product. So we have it's very hygienic. If you're gonna wear it, if you're getting any product from us, we make sure that it's very hygienic for you. And talking about length, so this particular hair extension is about 16 inches, and we have sizes available up to 24 inches in this, so you can choose your own length of hair in this particular topper. And talking about the colors, we have natural black, natural brown and gray color available in this. And if we talk about the pricing, this one is priced at 7,999, and the pricing will change according to the length you want. We obviously have different kind of textures in this, so if you want straight, wavy or curly, you can choose your own texture in this particular topper. And so as you can see, the hair is finely knitted on the skin colored mesh, so it looks very natural like a scalp. So like you can see, it looks very natural, and when you wear it, it will look like your own hair, your own scalp. As you can see, the border is PU border, so this particular border makes sure that the grip and the hold on your hair is really nice. So now let's talk about how to wear it and how to take care of it. So talking about how to take care of it, like we tell you in every video, it is very essential to wash your toppers and extensions properly. And if you are wearing something like this every day, then make sure at least twice a month you are washing it. And if you are wearing it occasionally, then once a month should be fine. And let's talk about how to wear it. So as you can see, it has clips, so yes, you can clip them on, and if you want, you can glue them on as well. And I'll just show you also like what it looks like on my hair right now. And if we are talking about the durability, it will easily last for up to 1 to 1.5 years, depending on how well you are taking care of it. So make sure that you are taking really good care of your extensions as well, like you take care of your own hair. So let me show you what it looks like on my hair right now. So I'll just open all the clips. I'll just match it with my partition. As you can see, it has merged really nice with my hair, and it looks pretty natural as well. And if I want, I can style it in different ways. Like if I want, I can just take some of my hair and extensions out and like put this back as well, curl this one, or maybe if you want, you can also get some cut on this particular area depending on what you want. And I can straighten it out as well, but for now this is what it naturally looks like. So this one is currently in stock, so we are also willing to ship it anywhere. The shipping cost would be extra, but you can get get your own hair topper anywhere around the world. We'll ship it for you. And talking about the advantages and disadvantages, so this is very lightweight, so you can all wear it all day long. It is very easy to carry around whole day long. It won't be an issue at all. Like I'm wearing it right now, and I cannot tell if there's something on my head, and that is how lightweight it is. It'll cover a good amount of area, good patch area. And since it's a multi-style topper, you can take the parting, you can comb it backwards, or you can put this on any of the side. You can put it on any side you want as per your partition. This also gives you a moderate volume, so that is also a great thing, since you can see it has given me some volume here. Like my hair is pretty flat most of the time in this particular area, but right now it doesn't look that flat. As you can see, it has some natural looking baby hair as well, which makes it look more natural. So the only disadvantage is that it is not enough to cover a bigger balding patch. So for that you need a bigger topper. But for moderate amount of balding, this one would be perfect. So I hope you like this video and it helped you in some way. In case you want to watch more videos, you can drop a comment down below on what kind of videos you want us to make. And till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.